Hello everyone. So this is the Fastrack video part 2, right? We have already uploaded the part 1 of this Fastrack, right? You can go through this and you can make it like in short and precise, right? So let's start this video. So here in this video we are going to cover some important topics, right? Like first one will be reasons for determining exchange rate. Why we are calculating the exchange rate? हम लोग exchange rate जो calculate करते हैं उसका region क्या होगा, right? What are the regions? So you can see here. So this note is just for reference, right? So that you can revise and you can go through the all the things at a very precise manner, right? So the first region is the balance of payment. You just try to remember this terms: economic growth rate, regions for determining that if you are determining the exchange rate, that will help balance of payment, economic growth rate calculation, fiscal policy in calculation, and monetary policy, interest rates, political issues, right? So in other words, we can say these are the things which if exchange rate will be vary, that economic growth rate will be varies, and due to political issues also economic exchange rate will be affected, right? So these are the policies due to which exchange rate can be affected, so that indirectly also. And if the this is like these are the factors, we can say factors affecting the exchange rate, and if there will be any changes in exchange rate, these are will be affected, right? So these are things first. So in the next one we can see here these are the types, right? So what are the types? First one is ROC, that is we can say that is one more thing, ready for cash, ready or cash, right? ROC means ready or cash. So this is same day, this will be processed on the same day. Next one is be TOM, right? So that will be next working day. So first and next one will be spot rate, right? So that will be second working day, right? So ROC will be same day, TOM rate will be next working day, spot rate will be second working day. For example, if the ROC and whatever the issued on 1st June, right? So TOM rate will be 2nd June, right? And 3rd June will be spot rate, that is 1st June plus 2, that means 1 plus 3 equal to 3. 3rd June, that will be spot rate. So these rates will be very important, you can read. So next one will be forward rate. What will be the forward rate? That is after 3rd June, we can say more than 2 days, more than 2 days at any day. It may be 3 day or 4th, 5th, 10th, whatever the day. So that will be the forward day. We can say more than 2 days after 3rd June. If we consider the 1st June, then after 2 day means that will be the 3rd June, right? That will be the forward rate. And what are the forward rates? We can see here forward rate formula is spot rate plus premium, or if you are considering the discount, premium will be added with the spot rate for the forward rates and the discount will be subtracted. हम प्रीमियम को ऐड कर देंगे and discount को इससे घटा देंगे, then we can easily get the forward rates, and the base will consider the spot rate, right? तो इसमें देख सकते हैं what are the direct quoted and indirect quotes. So in case of direct quote, we can see let's see, there will be two. One is home currency and the other one will be foreign currency, right? So in this quote, in case of direct quote, the home currency, I took first one we are considering with respect to home currency. Here home currency will be variable, in case of direct, and in case of indirect, home currency is constant, right? Remember this, home currency is constant. In case of indirect, home currency is variable. Home currency is constant. And foreign, simple, that will be the opposite, completely आपका just different हो जाएगा. Foreign currency FC is constant. जब होम करेंसी वेरिएबल होगा, फॉरेन करेंसी आपका कांस्टेंट होगा. एंड इस केस में जब होम करेंसी आपका कांस्टेंट है, देन फॉरेन करेंसी विल बी वेरिएबल, राइट. यू कैन टेक द एग्जांपल 1 USD इक्वल टू 48.10. देखिए यहाँ पर USD कांस्टेंट है एंड आपका जो रुपीज़ है वेरी करता रहता है, डिक्रीज होता है, इंक्रीज होता है. एंड यहाँ पर 100 रुपीज़ इक्वल टू 2.05 USD. देखिए 100 रुपया जो रुपीज़ है दैट इज कांस्टेंट, होम करेंसी इज कांस्टेंट. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द इंडिया. And this 2.50 is vary, sometimes increase, sometimes decrease. That means foreign currency is variable, right? So direct, indirect, very easy to understand. You can get through this. So let's me cover this cross rate at very instantly. Like if here is given USD by INR has been given, right? And GBP and USD given. So if we are considering like cross rate, then USD we can say we will get GBP divided by INR. This will, from this cross rate you will have at least 1 or 2 marks from this only. So they will give some more rates. You can use this same formula and get it, right? For example, here I write it U by I equal to 48. How much? 40, they will write 48 by 11. That means 4810 आपका USD हो गया, 48.11 आपका इंडियन हो गया. 1.600 by 11, 00 and 10. 1.600 आपका ये हो गया, कौन सा US GBP हो गया, and that will be 10. 1.610 that will be USD. So here आपका U हो गया and I हो गया, G हो गया, U हो गया, U कट हो जाएगा. So we can get at G by I, right? So this is the basic thing. You can go refer the book for getting more details. So fixed rate, that is ROE is fixed. The rate of interest will be fixed in case of fixed. फ्लोटिंग रेट के केस में आपका क्या होगा विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू मार्केट फैक्टर्स. वो क्या होगा ना हमारा, in the case of floating, so floating case में क्या होगा, it will depend on market factors. so market factors क्या होता है, जैसे कि मार्केट फैक्टर्स आपका डिपेंड होता है, जैसे कि आपका मार्केट होता है डिमांड, आपका मार्केट का डिमांड क्या होता है, राइट? व्हाट इज द डिमांड ऑफ द मार्केट, व्हाट इज द सप्लाई of a market. Demand supply के ऊपर will depend. So we can say these two factors can also affect the floating rate, right? For example, we can say MCLR, right? So we are just going through at a glance overview so that you can get through and have a overall idea, right? So bid and offered rate. Next one will be bid rate and what is offered rate. Bid rate is the buying rate, offered rate is selling rate, right? Simple definition. If there will be bid and offer, the bid rate will be the buying rate and offer rate will be the selling rate, right? So here percent, see percent means 1 by 100 मतलब century. Per mil मतलब 1 by milli, 1000, right? So one more thing here, you can see what do you mean by the value date. Value date means settlement date, right? So next, the day at which the settlement will be done, और settlement जिस दिन होगा उसको हम value date बोलेंगे और settlement date बोलेंगे, right? So next, arbitrage. In what is arbitrage? आपको ये वाला you can easily get this word many times wherever you are reading the foreign exchange. This is what is arbitrage. Arbitrage means buying from one and selling in other, right? Buying from one, right? If someone is buying from A and selling in market B, and selling in market B, then the arbitrage will be happen, right? And next one will be dealer. There will be, in case of dealer, something fund positioning and currency positioning. So two types, we can say fund positioning and currency positioning, right? In case of fund positioning, we can see that is inflow and outflow of funds should be mattered. So in case of fund, the inflow and outflow जो है ये क्या होना चाहिए, मैच्ड. एंड इन केस ऑफ करेंसी पोजीशनिंग, द सेलिंग एंड बाइंग शुड बी, हम से करेंसी केस में हम सेलिंग एंड बाइंग को ऑफ करेंसी. What are the considering? In case of currency, we are considering the selling and buying, and in case of fund, we are considering the inflow and outflow. That both will be matched. Inflow and outflow should be matched in case of fund positioning, right? So this is very important in case of foreign exchange. What are the things? The back office. What is the meaning of the back office? This is the settlement. That means the settlement will be done by the back office. Mid office will do risk management, right? Risk management will be done by middle office, right? And where the front office, three types of office are there, then front office will do customer dealing, right? So front office will do the customer dealing, middle office will do the risk manage, and back office will do the settlement work. So this is the basic idea and also very important with respect to exams. You can directly get the answer, right? So in the next video we're going to discuss regarding the risk and types and factors, right? So till that point, keep studying. Thanks for watching videos. Thank you.